Hello friends, it's Kevin here once again. I've got another bird subject to draw and paint, which I thought you might like. So I'll make a start. I've already done the pencil outline, so it's just a matter of doing the pen and wash. So this one is a robin, I believe. Some people might know the name of the robin. But anyway, it's quite a colourful bird. These are the subjects that I really enjoy. And for anybody who's wanting to do a subject that's easy and quick to do, a simple bird drawing is just the ticket. I'm just going to draw that in quickly. And so I reckon birds make a beautiful subject if you can get the reasonable detail into the feathers. But with pen and wash, you don't have to be too fussy about getting the detail 100% right. As long as it looks like a bird and has the same shape. And I must say, this is starting to look like a real bird now. It's got a beautiful shape. He's got a twinkle in his eye, just like my friend Snowy the dog. But at the moment he's sound asleep, not making any noise as he sometimes does. So there won't be any rustling in the background, as has been on a number of my previous videos. Now, as you can see, that only took a few minutes to do, and so we're halfway there. Now, I've got myself a new watercolour brush, which I'll be looking forward to trying out on this picture. Oh yes, look at that, what a difference. Oh heck, that is such a beautiful brush. Just perfect. I'm so glad I got the brush that does the job. And it does a good job. I put a bit of yellow ochre on the head there, going around there. Oh, this is a beautiful brush. I'm really pleased about it. I was disappointed with my other brushes. So I decided to get something that does the job. Now, I'll go from place to place in this one. I'll just put a bit of blue down there on the tail, darken it up a wee bit with a bit of Payne's grey. And see how we go. The weight of this, this brush, it's so well balanced and it glides along the paper so effortlessly. So what I might do here is run a bit of that to get the shadows in, like that. There we go. Now there's still a bit more blue up here. It's actually ultramarine blue. Beautiful colour there, which is sort of spread out. Not exactly ultramarine blue. That's more like it. Try and lift a wee bit of that out. Oh no. Alright, so feathers. I won't try and overdo it. I just give it a wee bit of flavour there. I think it's coming along very well. A wee bit of blue. Try and get a bit of this dark blue in there. Get this in a bit of shadow. There we go. So I hope if you've got something to mention or comment or any requests about equipment or anything like that, if you've got something to find out about, just let me know in the comments, and I hope I can try and at least try and answer your queries if you have any. That would be nice. So this fella is coming along very well, actually. We'll just give that part now. He's got brown spindly legs. There. And I'm going to put a bit more Payne's grey in the palette because I'm running out of it. And it gives a bit of contrast. Where it's needed. The thing about this brush is it keeps its shape. That's what I like about it. Keeps its shape. Now, I'll just add a wee bit more there. And give that a bit of definition. So I'll get into the branch here, and I only need a very light colour really. I don't want to overdo it, just like that. There we go. And maybe darken up those shadows a wee bit down there. I might give that beak a bit of colour. So there we are, it's taking shape. So now, I've got to clean this brush thoroughly because it really holds the water, unlike the previous brushes which run out of water very quickly. I'm going to use a bit of cerulean blue here. And just put in a bit of shape in the sky. I don't want it to distract from the bird because he looks pretty good standing up there on his perch. So I'll just drop in a bit of blue there, and maybe I'll just put something down here, a bit of greenery. to indicate a tree or a shrub. Doesn't have to be anything specific, just to give variation to the picture. Oh, I'll just drop a bit of that in there. A bit of moss on the branch. And that will do it. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you can subscribe and comment, and that would be much appreciated. So until the next time, we'll see you later. There's something I just wanted to do before I go. Try and give that bird a wee bit of a highlight. Just to get that eye looking right. There we are. Cheerio. Bye-bye.